I'm Dr. Wally Taylor, and today I'd like to introduce you to my medical practice, Texas Integrative ENT and Allergy. We're located at 4107 Medical Parkway in Central Austin. I went to medical school at Southwestern Medical School in Dallas and received my ear, nose, and throat training in the U.S. Army. I then practiced for 9 years in the U.S. Army before practicing in Southern Colorado for 20 years with a multi-specialty group practicing general ear, nose, and throat and allergy. 20 years ago, I began a transition to integrative medicine as a result of a desire to be able to really deal with my patients with chronic illness, finding that I just didn't have the tools to deal with their chronic problems at a root level through the tools that I had received while in medical school. I began to practice what I call integrative medicine. Integrative medicine is actually a blend between Western, standard, what I call symptom-based medical care, and a newer, more functional and holistic form of medical care. It involves dealing with the root causes of disease by evaluating each individual patient as a total system. I haven't forgotten how to use my principles of standard Western medicine when I feel that they're most appropriate. It's just that I find that more often than not, I tend to take people off of Western medicines just about as often as I prescribe them. I deal with a number of different chronic diseases for patients, including autism, chronic mood disorder, autoimmune disease, cognitive decline of the elderly, hormonal balance problems, chronic pain syndromes. I've found that the chronic illness that my patients are suffering from is a combination of their genes as superimposed on a large number of environmental stresses that they encounter in their daily lives. These stresses can include chemicals in our air, food, and water, but also they include infections that we have, allergies that we may have, and even stresses from our daily life. I would like to invite you to further evaluate my practice by visiting my website, texasintegrative.com, or by following me on my Facebook page. I look forward to having the opportunity to evaluate your root causes of medical illness and begin to help you find true solutions that will result in complete wellness. Thank you.
No, it's good.